Today I sell my luxury bag, so let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to have you here. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video. My name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old. I'm French, but I live in Spain, in Barcelona. I have my own small business called bamluxurystore.com where I sell luxury bags and accessories. And I make every Wednesday a video like this where I sell bags, and every Sunday more classic videos about luxury bags and lifestyle. So I'm gonna start right now by saying that we ship worldwide. We already ship to the US, to Australia, to Germany, Denmark, UK, France, Spain, whatever, we ship worldwide, so do not hesitate. And I'm gonna start with this first big baby. I was gonna say little baby, but no, it's a huge baby, I would say. This is a Prada bag. I think it's like a turquoise emerald grain leather. This one is such insane. The condition is perfect for this one. Like the condition is really good. You have the strap, you can remove the strap and change the size of the strap, so it's like adjustable strap, so it's very good. Also, for this one, I had the papers somewhere here. Yes, I had the papers just here. So I had the authenticity card here and papers. So this bag is like really good, almost brand new. I love the color for this one. This is a perfect bag for traveling or for an everyday to go to the office, to go to work or whatever. You can close the bag with a button pressing just here. Inside is huge. It's fabric and leather. You have lots of different pockets. We have a zipper pocket here, another pocket right here, and a huge one just here. The only thing about this bag, I would say, is that on this pocket, it's hard to show you guys actually for this one, but I will try my best. Here, you see like the fabric is broken, but I think you can fix it again. It's quite easy to do it so, and it's like worth it. Anyway, this bag is almost brand new, except for this. And the price for this one is 480 euro, which is very low because Prada bags are now worth more than like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 euros now. So here it is. It is available for you. Okay, we're gonna go for this one. I think you're gonna love it actually. We have here a Fendi kind of baguette bag. I definitely love this bag. You are going to enjoy so much. I think it's probably sold out by now. We had the dust bag for this beautiful bag. I love the pattern for this one. Condition is really good. I'm having a look on this. Corners are very little rubbed, but it's almost nothing. Leather parts is gorgeous, like nothing to say. The zipper works very fine. I'm gonna just try. Yes, perfect. And the only thing about this one I would say is here you have like 3 little points, but otherwise that's it. Like even the inside is very good condition. You have a zipper pocket, so it's pretty nice. We have everything for this gorgeous bag. I'm so excited to have it here because it's beautiful. I was like, should I keep it or not? I hesitated a lot. So the bag is 550 euro. I will add on the screen also the USD price for you to have it. I could add the UK price. Let me know in the comments if you want also the UK price, if there are any people from the UK that are watching these videos. Please manifest yourself. And yeah, this one is available already on the website. You can buy either on the website directly or you contact me and I will create you an invoice. You can pay in 1 time or 2, 3 or 4 times in payment plan directly by contacting me. Yes, I love this one. So we have here a small wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is a beautiful one, like it's a rose, pale rose actually. In like outside, what can I say? Like the outside is actually pretty good. The only thing is like the pressure button, like because it's leather, it starts like to damage. You can change it for like less than 50 euro, I think, and you can ask for a metallic pressure button. So it's actually very good. Inside is very good. You have like here a little pen mark, otherwise all good. Inside is very nice. And the pocket for coins has like stains, obviously, because it was used. And it's pretty normal, but otherwise everything works fine for this one, and this one is amazing. It's 230 euro. I actually love it so much. I would love to have the same. I think I'm gonna have like to find out one for me. Okay, another bag. I think you're gonna love it so much as the Fendi one. This is a Gucci bag. We had the Gucci monogram fabric. Other parts is beige leather, I would say. Kind of gold hardware. Condition of the bag actually is very, very good. I'm just having a look for you here. No, the bag is pretty good actually. Like no stain, no damage at all. Like here it's like the leather starts to fold a little bit, but otherwise it's good. Here on the hardware it's like a bit dirty, but otherwise it's good. I love the zipper of the bag. The zipper also works super fine. So this is actually a very good thing. Like the inside of the bag is very good. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to see, but it's like a dark brown fabric. Oh, I love it. It's like very nice actually. The zipper pocket, like the bag is almost brand new. I would say we have a serial number on it, but it's gorgeous. And the price is 300 euro. This is a very, very, very small price for you guys. So let's go. And the other item I want to show you also is this amazing wallet from Louis Vuitton monogram. Very good conditions for this one, I have to admit. Persian button has little scratches, but otherwise the outside of the wallet is very, very good. You have a very small corner rubbed here. Button pressure works fine, nothing to say. Inside of the wallet, I'm just having a look, and inside is perfect. Like, even the hardware looks pretty good actually, but inside is very, very good. You could see it's a little bit used here. It was a little bit used, but otherwise, inside is just gorgeous and almost brand new. This is a very nice wallet, and the price is very low. It's 185 euro. This is nothing, guys. So if you want one, just go get it because it's very, very low. And I think it's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, please, to this channel. I really enjoy having you around here. We try to grow this YouTube channel. We try to grow the community. We are bag lovers community, like bag addicts, as you already know, like some other people who are doing the same. I really enjoy doing this video. So yeah, please consider subscribing, be part of also this YouTube family. And I'll see you very soon for a video on Sunday. Bye-bye.